Hello, a warm welcome, 1,000 thank yous for clicking on. I've just got to show you this bus, this Solido RT, which I bought a couple of years ago at the swap meet. He was asking $4.50 for it. He gave it to me for £4. It's been repainted in Helens Corporation. Now, I bought this because many years ago I bought this. I don't know if you can see that white metal kit. Many years ago. Richard J kit, white metal, and that tells you how to cut up the Solido RT and you make it into a breakdown truck. And it wasn't that much. I got quite a few Richard J kits at the time. One to convert a Corgi trolley bus, another one for the dinky to make a fire engine out of like the old tanker. So that's the back panel, you get the jib in there. So let's have a look at this bus. It's a Richard J kit to convert it, but when I looked at the bus, I mean, it was cheap enough for the price, but somebody has actually done a good repaint on this, so really it's a shame to cut this up. So I think I'll have to look for another donor vehicle. I think that looks quite good. Somebody has done quite a good repaint. I don't know how long St Helens Corporation ran the RT bus. I mean, even if you got one, you'd probably pick one up in the box for £10. Even if you got a new one to cut up for the donor vehicle, because there's quite a lot of them about, but it looks quite good, this model. I think it'd be a shame to cut this up. Somebody has done quite a good job repainting it. So what is the buses run like now in St Helens? I'm not sure what companies are running there now, but I bet you they're not as smart as this livery here. But you could use, you needn't use the RT, you probably could use that kit for the Corgi guy, Alan, probably, or the Route Master, but since it was made for the RT, I would like to do an RT. I think it's a shame to cut that one up. I think we'll have to look for another donor vehicle just to show you what's out there. Thank you. As I said, Richard J kits, they come with the instructions, white metal, make it into a breakdown kit. This one is TK12 recovery tender for Solido RT Bus, Richard J Trans kit TK, and you get all the instructions and all the bits you need. Just a little video. Thank you for watching and enjoy your models.